sir, welcome to my YouTube channel. The broadcast incident was bigger than I expected. An unexpected incident happened with the constant of the NHK Nadu. Jaman, he must have been really pet. While singing, woman took off this doll-back jacket and quickly changed into the red dress. Strategies of the Skunians, newest non-pam of the quick change was to the mooch and to the doll heavy strangely of the camel. The doll had rolled off the floor and the woman's camel rolled as the audience lounge of the woman put doll's head back on and continued singing along the audience clapping. She did not forget to the singing vaultables, but despite her effort only to burst selling. Thanks for watching and subscribe my YouTube channel. Comments section below for the further information.